Welcome to your sleep practice. A moment to indulge, to slow down. Just allow yourself to drift off to a quieter place. Often, the mind can be busy at night, right before it's time to rest. And that's okay. It's the natural part of being human. And we must know that we are not simply a light switch that goes on and off. And so in times like this, it can be helpful to support our sleep with just a little bit of focused intention. And so today, in this moment, as we drift off to sleep, I leave you with one question. What is the sound of sleep today? Is it the sound of your breath? The sound of the chatter in the mind? The sound of this moment as it churns, as we await for sleep to arrive. But with any good question also comes an answer. And so today, for the question, what is the sound of sleep? Can it simply be this music? Can it be this sound of a gentle melody taking you towards the sunset? And so with every ounce of attention left in this conscious moment, can you just lean in to the music, to feel it, to be with it, to allow it to carry you towards the quiet horizon of sleep. Let this be your practice today. Let this be the sound of sleep. Let yourself drift away.